color the globe?
No, ma'am. This is
Yeah, color it.
Ma'am, is it compulsory?
Yeah, it's compulsory. It's compulsory. If you want to get the marks,
Ma'am, it is
color.
assignment.
coloring it is not compulsory.
Ma'am, it is assignment.
Yeah, activity. Yes. See, usually one group and one individual activity was there for the student. So now this time you were at home, so we can't do the group activity, right? So only one individual activity. This term it is this one. Okay, the next
Ma'am, my video is stuck.
term you will get the map activity. Okay, you need to mark some places.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my video is now stuck on your screen.
This is the assignment.
Okay, children. Just move back to our portion. Okay.
Ma'am,
We talked about Indian National Congress.
Ma'am, echo, ma'am. Someone is not muted.
Echo is coming, ma'am.
Then mute your audio. I have told you. Don't disturb the class.
Ma'am, echo.
Listen to me. Okay. So children, the Britishers were doing something against the Indians. Indians were not happy, okay, with the reforms or with all the practices done by the Britishers. Okay.
Ma'am, echo. Ma'am, echo. Echo.
Okay. So
Ma'am, echoes are coming.
Ma'am, so many are not muted. So many.
now is it okay?
Something is coming.
Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
No,
echo is coming.
there.
Okay, listen to me. So, children, the Indian National Congress, okay, the India's first political party. Okay, I have told you there are many political parties. We know that BJP, Congress,
BJP,
yes, BJP,
Muslim League.
Congress, Muslim League, and the Communist Party. Okay,
Now it is
we
the
have many
problem for-
political parties. Yes. The first
Now,
political party
Communist
formed
Party.
in India, it was Indian National Congress or INC. Okay, Indian National Congress.
Yes,
The full
ma'am.
form of INC, that is Indian National
Indian National
Congress.
Ma'am, so many
It was
code is not muted. That's echoes are coming again.
children.
Yes,
I have
ma'am,
asked
echo
you
so
to
much
mute
is
your
there.
audio.
Ma'am.
Mute your audio, children. First, you mute your audio and sit.
Sunita, one girl is not muted. This.
Not girl.
Afam's mother.
Tell me. Okay, children. So, listen to me. Angelina, I will explain
Okay,
you. The Indian National Congress, it was the first political party. It was formed in the year 1885.
1885.
Okay, so the first meeting of Indian National Congress was held in Bombay.
Bombay.
Okay, Mumbai.
Bombay.
Okay,
Ma'am, the ancient name of Mumbai is Bombay.
Mumbai. Okay, that was Bombay was the former name of Mumbai.
Ma'am, now also echoes are coming.
Okay, let me adjust.
Not of your audio, ma'am. Someone is not muted only. Not muted.
Let me mute you all. Then it will be okay. Okay. So,
Ma'am, now what's it?
so they worked hard to educate the Indian people about their right. Okay, the Indians wanted to be ruled by the Indians only. Okay, not by the Britishers. Britishers were they were not the people of India. Okay, they came from European country and they have taken control over India. Okay, so it is our right.
broad
We
culture.
Indians, okay, have the right. Okay, means we have some rights. We should enjoy that rights over in our country.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
so
We want to enjoy.
yes. So they pointed out. Okay, at first the International
Ma'am, that is
Congress.
there in
Children, listen to me. At first, the Indian National Congress did not openly challenge the British policies. They pointed out the misery of the Indian people to the British
Ma'am, what is called
government.
misery?
Their problems. Okay, so at first, okay, the INC or the Indian National Congress pointed out the misery of the Indian people to the British government. What all problems are faced by the Indian people?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
all
Sati.
these problems, all their miseries, okay, all their problems, okay, all these they pointed out, they just discussed or they just showed it to the British government and asked for reforms. What do you mean by reforms, children?
The improve the
reduce.
society.
Change. They wanted to
Society is
change.
called
Improve the
Improve their conditions. Okay.
Society.
So the India, we know that here we have some political party. So all these political party is working for the welfare of the people. Okay,
ma'am,
they
like
are working.
work condition of work, like that problem.
Ah, yes. Okay, and I have told you the problem of indigo producers.
Yes, ma'am.
Niladarpan, do you
Indigo
remember the
producing
play?
dairy.
Niladarpan, that means
Niladarpan.
the farmers, the sepoys,
Yeah, they were-
okay, all means all were not in a were lived in a miserable condition. Their life was not satisfactory. They need to give the taxes. Okay, they need to give revenue to the Britishers. Okay, the Britishers were collecting revenue and they are buying the things at a cheaper rate. Okay, so the life of Indians was not satisfactory. Okay, they lived a miserable life. Okay, so at first, the Indian National Congress point out the misery of the Indian people to the British, misery of Indian people
Misery
to
of
the
the Indian
British
people.
government and asked for reforms. They wanted to improve their condition. Okay, but
Solve. Don't solve.
okay, but the Britishers were not ready to accept it.
They were accept.
Okay, the Britishers
And they also
were
fight.
not ready to accept it. Okay, so children, I have told you we have many political parties, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
BJP,
Ma'am, BJP,
SLDP.
Congress,
Congress,
Muslim
Communist
League,
Party,
CPM,
Muslim League. Okay. So a
DYFI.
political party is a group of people, okay, who have came together to achieve some goals by becoming a part of the government. Because we know that which party is in power, you know, children. Here in Kerala, which party?
Congress.
Who is our chief minister?
BJP in power.
Chief minister. Who is our chief minister?
Pinarayi
Pinarayi Vijayan. Okay. He is from which party? Communist Party.
DYFI.
LDF. Okay, LDF for the Communist Party. So, children, the political party, it is a group of people, okay, who wanted to form the government.
Now so many things, ma'am.
Yes. Now, let me mute you all. Children, mute your audio and listen the class. Okay, children. So the political party, okay, it is, a group of people who wanted to form the government. And see, children, there are many leaders. The name is, see, children, all these names are a bit tough. But anyway, you need to study. At least any two you need to study. Okay, children. See, children, just open your textbook and see this. Some famous leaders of Indian National Congress. Rahimullah Zayani.
Ma'am, Zayani or Sayani?
Sayani. Okay, Rahimullah Sayani. Okay. Badruddin Thiabji. Dadabhai Navroji. Have you heard about Dadabhai Navroji?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, you haven't studied. Okay, Dadabhai Navroji. Okay, Firoz Shah Mehta. Gopala Krishna Gokhale. And Mahatma Banerjee. Which one is easy for you? Just pick out.
Rabindranath.
Ma'am, can you tell the page number?
Tagore is not there. No.
Gopalakrishna.
Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Okay.
That's very simple. Gopalakrishna.
Ah, yes. Gopala
and
Krishna
only
Gokhale.
one
That is
study.
a familiar
Ma'am,
name
page
for us,
number?
No,
right?
that's not.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Page number?
I don't know the page number. I don't have the
42.
textbook.
42.
So children, so this that means these all names, that means these are the leaders of Indian National Congress. Okay, so children, that is Dadabhai Navroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee. Okay, all these are the leaders of Indian National Congress. Okay, and many people have joined in this party.
Yes,
Okay, the
ma'am.
Indian National Congress work hard, okay, to educate the people.
Ma'am, now also
Okay.
Congress is there.
Ah, yes,
now
yes,
also.
now also
Ma'am,
it
all
is.
that time and all the people will vote.
Hmm?
All the people will vote for the National Congress and all.
National
Sati.
Congress. Okay. Then it pointed out the misery of the Indian people, okay, to the British government and asked for reforms. Okay, children, I hope it is clear to you. Let me revise the points.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Okay, see children, the first political party of India, okay, that is Indian National Congress. Okay, was formed in the year, which year children?
1885.
1885. Okay, 1885, the first political party of India,
After
which
the
was
first
formed, and it was Indian National Congress or INC. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and the first meeting, okay, the first meeting of Indian National Congress was held in
In Bombay, Mumbai.
Mumbai
Okay,
or Bombay.
Mumbai. Okay,
Bombay.
and
Mumbai. Now Mumbai.
and the important leaders, okay, of Indian National Congress.
Gopal Gokhale.
Gopal Krishna Gokhale,
Gopalakrishna
Surendranath
Rabindranath Banerjee.
Surendranath Banerjee.
Rabindranath Banerjee.
Sri Shankar, it's not
Sayani.
correct.
Dadabhai Navroji.
Dadabhai Navroji, Surendranath Banerjee, and Gopalakrishna Gokhale. These three names at least you study. Okay, these all are the important leaders of the. These three are the important leaders of the Indian National Congress. Okay, at first, okay, these Indian National Congress, they just wanted to educate the Indian
The
people
Indians.
about their rights.
Rights.
Okay, the Indian National Congress wanted to educate the people about their rights, because we Indians are here. We have the right to enjoy our freedom.
Freedom.
Not means we are the means we have to be ruled by the people of India itself. Okay, it's not by any Britishers or any other country people. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
they will do some that I don't know that English word. Samaram.
strike. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Now also it is
What is
there.
the English word of that?
revolt is there. Strike.
Ma'am, now it is there.
Okay.
Now, ma'am, now it is
Strike.
happening.
Hartal. That
Yeah.
all the way we
Now
will
it is
convey,
happening,
yes,
ma'am.
our
Now it
protest.
is happening.
That is happening nowadays. You know, children, whenever we just switch on the TV, we can see the types of
Asianet and
many
all.
types of strikes, right?
BJP, Muslim League, Congress.
Yeah. About many issues are here now. Okay, recently many issues are happening over here in Kerala. So, even the ladies. Have you seen the ladies?
Yes, they are going
They
on.
are protesting against the government. Gold smuggling issue.
So
then,
many there.
KT
Water and all
KT
power
Jelil
will dam and
issue.
yes.
Yes.
Pinarayi Vijayan also.
Yes. So very good children. You are watching TV and you are hearing at least you were hearing the news. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
If I switch on the TV, I will only watch cartoon.
Yeah.
My mother will
I
change
know that you people always like to watch the cartoons, but At least 10 or 50 minutes you can spend to hear the news.
I will hear 30 minutes, ma'am.
I will hear
Very
full
good.
minutes.
On the
50,
news.
50 minutes.
We love the cartoon and news.
Okay, listen, children. Say these people wanted to point out the miseries to the British government. At first, the Indian National Congress did not openly challenge. Okay, the British government. Okay, they just pointed out the misery of Indian people to the British government and asked for reforms. Is that points are clear, children? Is this all points are clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, children. Then we are moving to the next topic.
Next one, demand
that is
of
the demands of Indian National Congress. Okay, what are the demands of Indian National Congress? See, children, this point just let me write.
Ma'am, can you say the meaning of revenue?
I'll tell you.
What? Revenue.
You
Revenue
say
means
this.
taxes.
Okay, ma'am.
Tax.
You
Ma'am,
say
what is the meaning of extremist something?
That we will discuss.
that is after this, right? Or no?
After this, after we need to discuss some more things, children.
Okay.
Just
Ma'am, now it is 2:42.
242.
No, two.
No, 30.
Yeah, 36 only. 6.
2:30.
6.
30.
30?
34.
234.
Ma'am, 34.
2:34.
My time is some more than that real time.
Okay, children. So now we are moving. What were the demands of Indian National Congress? Okay, so the Indian National Congress raised some demands before the British government.
Ma'am, can you speak some more louder?
Yeah, my mic got us.
Now okay.
Okay. So children, the first demand, can you read, Shreya, what was the first demand of Indian National Congress?
Ma'am, this is enough. This was
Freedom
some.
of speech and expression by allowing Indians to publish their views in newspaper and magazines freely.
Yes, freedom of speech and expression.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. By allowing
Yeah.
Indians to
In
publish
newspapers and magazines. See, children.
freely.
Yeah. What do you mean by freedom of speech and expression?
To do, we can say whatever we want.
Yeah, very good,
What are
very
we
good. Okay, children.
We
See,
can
children,
say
in a
the-
democratic country. Okay, in democratic country means that we are electing our leaders, they are ruling us, right? Okay.
Only that we can't
Yes.
say.
Only that. So in a democratic country, we all have the freedom to express or we have the freedom of speech or
Ma'am,
expression. Okay, that
Yes,
means we can tell means anything we
Anything.
want to. Okay, we
Say.
need in our country we have the right
Our
to
freedom.
express our ideas and opinion. Okay,
Yes,
but under the Britishers,
British
the
were not
Indians-
allowed.
Okay, the Indians were not allowed to express their ideas or their opinions.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
why we read newspapers and magazines?
Yeah, that means if some of the leaders, okay, they published many newspapers and articles, okay, against, and if their ideas, if it is against the Britishers, okay, most of the writers were imprisoned or even hanged to death by the Britishers. Okay, so under the Britishers, Indians do not have the freedom to express their ideas or their opinions. Okay, so the first demand of the Indian National Congress was the freedom of speech and expression.
We can
Okay, that
dictate
means,
the rulers.
see children, just now we have talked about Pinarayi Vijayan and K.T. Jalil
Yes,
issue.
KT.
Right. See, so children,
Yes,
so see children,
They
there are
need
some
to-
problems from the government and all. Okay, from the government side and all, there are some problems. Even
ma'am,
some
KTJ
ministers'
is-
name, even some ministers' names are included in it. That means
Ma'am,
Jalil
gold,
is a
ma'am.
minister, right?
Gold.
Ma'am.
Gold.
Ah, okay. So
How many
the
people
minister,
in that
some
category
names of some
of-
ministers and all are included in that issue,
Is a
right?
crime.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
but if we watch the television channels and newspaper, okay,
Yeah, water
we can
and
see
road.
that many people are questioning this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
NIA.
Ah, no,
Investigation.
I'm talking about the people.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
NIA, it is it is a
National
government agency. Yeah, it is an
Investigations.
agency. Okay, but the people, okay, the people, they are protesting against all this. They are questioning the government.
That only, ma'am, NIA.
Means
NIA is
what, ma'am?
questioning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they are questioning the government, the people. So the people is possessing a chance to
Ma'am.
express their opinion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so we have the freedom to express our ideas and opinion.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So, yes.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of protest?
Protest means just say something against. Okay,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
do
Like
something
strike,
I
ma'am,
have
against.
heard
strike,
so many words
strike.
like this. I have
In
not
news
getting
and
it.
all,
Okay.
one party
I
something
think it's a
against.
good word.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
Ah.
that the other nurses were also even in a strike for their money.
Nurses, yeah. Their
Yeah.
basic means their salary. They were means even though
Salary
they were
less.
working hard, but their salary was very low. Comparatively, it was very low. Okay, we know that the nurses and doctors, they are working hard this time. Yes, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but
Definitely.
some of the nurses, their basic salary, it was very low. So many nurses protested against it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So
Yes,
here now also many ministers, okay, even the chief secretary, okay, every means most of the important administrators, okay, their names was included in some issues.
Yes,
So
ma'am,
many
KT
people,
Jiri.
yes, many people are questioning this. Okay, many people are saying their
And Pinarayi
opinion.
Vijayan also.
Okay, Pinarayi Vijayan also. Okay,
NIA is questioning.
so
one
what
time.
do you mean by freedom of speech and expression? As a citizen of India, as a, I mean, we are the citizen, means we all are the citizen of India. So if we are a citizen, okay, we have the right to protest against the unfair attitude of even the government. Okay, even the government policies.
We can tell anything.
Wrong and also.
If it is,
If they
if
were
government
not
is doing wrong, we can
okay,
tell.
even if the government, Pinarayi Vijayan, he's actually he's the head of the government, right? LDF government.
But
Okay.
he's
So
he's
if
so
they
many.
were not okay, we people have the right to question.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
NIA always
yes,
questioning.
that is meant by freedom of speech and
Now
expression.
the
Okay, so
Time over.
wait, let me conclude this point.
No, ma'am,
children.
Okay,
time is
okay,
not
okay, ma'am.
over.
Okay, so freedom, the first demand of the Indian National Congress was the freedom of speech and expression and various means of. That means they want to they want to
They
express
want to
their
publish-
ideas and
publish in
opinions to
newspapers, magazines.
newspapers. Okay, newspapers and magazine. They wanted to publish newspapers, magazine, articles, journals, etc. And they wanted to
Ma'am,
share
time
their
over.
opinion.
Ma'am, time over.
I know that. Please be quiet and listen the class. Okay. So here, the freedom of speech and expression means that the people have the chance. Okay. They need the chance to express their opinions and ideas. Okay. See, children, we know that most of the Indian people, Indians, were not educated. Okay, at that time they were not educated. So if they want to unite against the Britishers, what do we need, children? They need to get an awareness of all this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so through newspapers, journals, okay, articles only, the writers can influence the minds of the Indian people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So but that time they there doesn't have that right. Okay, the Britishers were not allowed the Indian writers to write against the Britishers. Okay, if many of the Indian writers were imprisoned, means they were put in jail, and some of them were killed, wounded, and imprisoned by the Britishers. Okay, children. So the first demand of the Indian National Congress was the freedom of speech and expression. Okay, children. So the next class we will discuss. I know that this names it is too tough for you, but it is okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children.
Yes.
Gopalakrishna is very easy.
Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Navroji.
Ma'am, easy only, all easy for me. Ma'am, only these three names you want to study?
Any three names you just study. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
Monday when you come, prepare the activity.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.